You want to say what's up to the video?
What's up, guys?
How's it going? We got Stinky Pete making an appearance, guys. Old Stinky Pete. Now Stinky Pete.
We got Big Musty Jeffrey.
All right, guys. Y'all know why we're in here today. Well, not really. No, y'all don't. We're here to get some fishing stuff.
Thank you, Bosh.
Thank you, Bosh.
All right, well, y'all send me some videos, bro.
I got you, bro. Hey, phone card. Phone card. You know I got you. All right, guys. The hooks are secure. Gamakatsu, sponsor your boy. Can't go wrong with little. Why you answer so aggressive?
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. That's it, guys. That's what's gonna catch us the 5-pounder today. We either got the Senko, chartreuse tail, looks like a little watermelon pearl, blue crawl, and then can't forget secret weapon, fluke, hooks, bait, weights. It's the last thing I need, bullet weights. Can't throw the blue crawl without it. Sir, please stop following me.
I just want to pet you.
There we go, guys. That's it right there. Hit a little money spread. That's it. How's it going, my man?
Good. Find everything okay?
Yes, sir. Pete, can you pay, bro?
Yeah, I can, but they're not my dates. So you're gonna have to pay me that.
Thought you just trying to look out for, man.
$22.35. All right. You guys have a good rest.
Appreciate it, my man. Have a good day. There we go, guys. Pack is secured.
Hey, yo, water boy. This shit wet.
We run it up for sure. That bitch gon' not know amateur. Run that shit, we at all the show. Say that shit for your camera roll. I did everything for it, so now we pull up with foreign though. Shot the top of the foreign now. We about 2 or 3 foreign hoes. Yeah, they calling us overseas. Didn't notice they noticed me. How the fuck am I supposed to see when I got purple glow on me? Since they calling us overseas, time to take over all of these scenes. Flashy nigga, I gotta be seen.
Guys, we're going through some stuff just for these fish, guys. Might have a little something right here. Ain't too deep. Give it a couple throws out there. Fishing the weightless fluke. We got action, guys. Fish breaking the top of the water and stuff. Bad cast, the first cast. Dang, just missed one, guys. Just when I was about to do a bait change. Bro, missed him again. He ain't coming back that time. My tail's about ripped off, guys. About to hit a little bait change on him. I don't like the way that one's casting, guys. So, we're gonna try the old sink. Try the old sink. Tuck it away, forget about it. See if we can convince a big girl to play with her worm. Man, he hooked himself, bro. He bit it and ran with it. Stay down, big boy. There we go, guys. First little fishy, nice little bass. Nothing too crazy. First bass of the season. Nothing too crazy. But my man hit it himself, twitched it like 2 times and he was up there. Same day delivery. Appreciate it, brother, man. There you go, guys. Donks all day. Mwah. You know what they hitting on, Greasy? That green tail, brother. It never lets me down. That's the little ones, though. I'm looking for them. Whoa! I'm looking for that hippopotamus, water buffalo. Nah. He just smoked that thing, never. There we go, guys. Back-to-back cast. Getting a little bit bigger. Nothing too crazy. Y'all ready for this? Hit a little backflip. Gone.